Just look at this website. This camera does not exist. There is no 3D model anywhere in this project, not one. Every lens element, every ring, every screw you are looking at was built out of pure code, and it comes out apart as you scroll. And the best part is, I'm going to show you exactly how I built it. Firstly, here is my website, ScrollTide, where you can find more websites like this and ready to copy paste prompts for 50 plus websites and sections just like this one. The link to it is in the description box below. You may definitely consider checking it out once. You can go to any template out there on the website, click on download source code or copy prompt, and use it in your project. Here's another one. This one has a physics based curtain with it. You can just copy the prompt. So let's continue on to the video part. For the first, we are taking references and we are on Pinterest as always. And I'm searching for camera and parts. We like this one and let's screenshot it. Let's head over to VS Code, paste the screenshot, and also paste this prompt that I have prepared for the sake of this video. Let's paste it up. You can find the link to this prompt in the description box below. Let's use Opus for this purpose. Write a few lines, build this website properly, and we want to build a scroll driven website. As we scroll, the camera disintegrates in parts and moves on the screen as described in the prompt below. And all of this, you can find it in the description box below. You need not worry about that, and then allow Claude to do its magic. I wrote the actual build guide for this complete site, and it is split into stages. And here you can find all of these prompts in stages: the geometry, the shaders, the scroll, and each of the functions that you can see in this website are written down in this prompt one by one, and this whole guide is compiled for you. The link to it is in the description box below. The website has been built by Claude, and let's see. This looks good. We are scrolling down, and it is breaking into parts and working as we expected it to. There are a few changes that need to be done before we call it off. Okay, let's move back. Okay, let's go over to Claude Code. We need more glass look on the camera. Also, the overlay is making the website dull. Decrease the overlay so we can see it more accurately and properly. Also, we need better typography on the overall website and add a better background. And after it's done, let's reload the website and we can see a few errors. The overlay has been fixed, but the text is overlaying the model in our website. And also the headlines doesn't have spaces between the words. So I'll screenshot and describe exactly what I'm seeing. The text is overlapping the camera. It has a text background component that should be smoothed out. There is no spacing between the words, and I'm giving it screenshots along with plain descriptions. That's the fastest way to get to the final result. And usually, we don't want to describe everything by text. We need some visual input as well. So we are taking screenshots for all of them and entering it into Claude Code. And look, I know this is the part most people skip. If you're still watching this, you're genuinely in the small percentage that will actually finish this website, because this is the job. The pretty render is the 10%, and this is the other 90% that people usually skip and don't see. And this is all that changes how you build websites like this. Let's send this prompt. Okay, let's refresh it. The build works. We just have to look at the flat gray background it has. This website currently lacks its main soul because of this flat gray background, and it looks like a prototype. So let's go back to Pinterest, and I want something dark with real depth. So let's search for camera website. Just scroll down a bit and see where we can find a good reference. Let's check this one. Okay, let's take a screenshot of it. I like this one because it has stars and particles in the background, and the prompt is disregard the text and other things in this image, just focus on the background that contains the stars and the particles. Let's make this one for our website. The current one doesn't fit well, and this is the whole prompt that we are going to give it and allow it to build. Just go over here and reload the website, and look, that looks way better than before. The functionality is sorted as well. And now let's make it dynamic. Instead of a static background, make the background interactive with the help of shaders WebGL, and we'll allow it to work. After this is done, let's reload the website and see. It looks way good now. Everything is working fine and functional as we expected it to be. And now the website has its actual soul. And this looks way better than before. So this goes up on scrolltide.co with the rest of the templates that I told you in the start of this video. We have more than 50 plus templates, and we are adding more and more to it every day. There's this camera one. You can download the source code and build it yourself. Ask for any changes. Here's a Brimstone one, the gates of hell with physics-based text curtain. And here's a Mirage one, the gold portal. And me and my team are still adding more and more templates to it constantly. Let's just copy the prompt for Mirage and let me show you the one in actual working. Make this project in a new directory, door for me, and let's just paste the prompt here, bypass permissions, and we'll build it using Sonnet. As everything has been already described in the prompt, we need not need a very heavy engine like Opus for this purpose, and it will work just fine. And you can see it has built the complete website for us in a matter of minutes with the help of a single prompt only. Make sure you check out the library and our free prompts available in the website. You can use any of them and tweak them as per your wish. And this is the whole library. Tell me in the comments which of these I should do a full build, because I'll genuinely pick for from them. Drop a like if this was helpful. Subscribe if you want the next one, and I'll see you in the next video.